Okay, so what is BA and what is QA, right? So let's look at part 2. First is what is BA and what is QA, right? Since you both have very little or no IT background, so I'm going to keep it simple. So first thing is I'm going to start off with saying that software is a product. Okay, software is a product. You like any other product in the marketplace. You can even compare it with building, car, pen, etc. Why we are making such a comparison? Because many non-IT concepts are in QA and BA. What is the meaning of non-IT concept? That means day-to-day, that is day-to-day, many day-to-day concepts can be found in IT, right? Many day-to-day concepts are in IT, okay? So you are in teaching or you are in marketing, sales, okay? So some of those concepts can be applied within IT, not all, some. For that, let's look at a process for building your home. We'll compare this process to building a software. Along the way, look at BA and QA. Okay. So first, what we are going to look at is, we'll look at a process. So first, we look at a process for constructing a home, which both Anu and Mahima you can understand easily. Then we'll compare this with the process for building a software and see the similarity. And that way, you will understand the process at a high level and understand the BA QA roles also at a high level. Okay. So let's say you are here. Okay. You are my customer. I'm in Atlanta. I'm an architect builder. Okay. I'm an architect builder. I have a team of people who can design homes, construct or develop homes, and also test it for quality. So one day you call me and said, I want to, write, you said, these are my needs. You said, okay, I need a 3,000 square feet home, 4 bedroom, 5 bath, kitchen, dining room, living room, etc. And then let's say you emailed it to me. Okay. So the customer, that is you, email the, details, some details to the builder, architect builder. So what do I do? Let's say I am the architect builder. What do I do with your data? So emailed half a page information. Okay. And I review it. The first thing I do is I'm going to review it. Okay. So the first thing AB guy does is review customer requirements. Review customer requirements. Right? Customer needs. Review customer needs. Review business needs. So this is also business, right? Representing the business. Right? That is our relationship is business. Sorry, our relationship is business. So your needs. I'm looking at your needs, customer needs. Then what do I do? You didn't provide a lot of details. So I need a lot of details. So I'm going to set up a meeting with you. Set up a meeting with you to talk to you. So meet with the customer. Set up a meeting with the customer to go over all these your needs, all these requirements. So why we are meeting? We are purpose is to get more details, gather more information. Right? Set up a meeting with the customer to get more information. Right? So the AB's role is to review customer requirements, meet with the customer, gather more details. Okay, gather more details means what? Suppose if it is kitchen, right? So I'm going to ask you questions. That is, I am AB. I'm going to ask you questions. Hey, what is the size of the kitchen? What kind of flooring you want? What kind of cabinets you want, etc. So all this data will be gathered from you. So you are like, yeah, I need a 10 by 10 kitchen. I need wooden flooring. I need certain type of cabinets. So all this information will be gathered and documented, recorded. Right? So this is about kitchen. Today we discussed about the kitchen. So what happens tomorrow? We will talk about dining room. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be repeated. Review customer requirements. Talk to the customer. Meet with the customer. Talk to the customer. Gather more information. Document the gathered information. Day after tomorrow, we'll talk about living room. So steps 1, 2, 3, 4 will be repeated. Okay. Once it's reached a point when this documentation is ready, right? The AB, assuming I am the AB architect builder, I will share this document with the customer. Share with the customer so that customer can approve it. Customer can approve it. Review and approve. Okay. Customer can review and approve. Okay. Customer can review and approve. After approval, the sixth step is the document will be shared with the design and a construction team. Will create let's say a building. The job of a test team is to test. Make sure customer requirements are met. Suppose if you are testing Magima, you will test it and make sure the size of the kitchen is, for example, 10 by 10. So the fundamental job of a tester is to test a product, make sure documented requirements are met. Okay. So the AB's role is very well documented here. Review customer requirements, meet with the customer, talk to the customer, gather more information, document it, share the final document with the customer to get it reviewed and approved. And then finally, share the document with the design and the construction team will create a product or a building. So this is closely related with how things happen in IT. Let's say you are my customer. You are running a business. Let's say you are running a bookstore and you need a website, right? So I'm I'm in the middle. Let's say I'm in the middle. I am a BA. I also run an IT company. I have a team of people who can design websites or design software, program. Development means what? Construction means here programming and testing. Same as here. Right? Same thing. One day you gave me some needs saying that, hey, I want to build a website. I want to sell my books. So I want to list all my books on this page. Product page, payment page, shipping page, contact page, home page, etc. See, you want to just like Amazon. See, Amazon started as an online bookstore. So you want to sell books via online. So you need things like product page, payment page, shipping, contact, home page, customer support, etc. And then email it to the BA. So what is the role of a BA here? You don't have to be an IT person to understand this, right? So a natural thing for you to do is review these requirements. Review customer requirements. Review customer needs. Review business needs, however you want to call it. Meet with the customer. Why you have to meet with the customer? Because you didn't provide enough details. Okay, it's all bullet point requirements. Normally, customers will not give all those details. So you need to have a conversation with the customer to better understand. Okay, have a conversation with the customer, better understand and get more information, gather more information. What do you do with the gathered information? It cannot go waste. So document it. document it. Fourth step. Example. Give me an example how it is gathered. Okay. So here it is. So let's say we are going to talk about payment. I'm a BA. You are a customer. I'm going to ask you a simple question. Hey, do you, in order to, as per your current business model, as of today, okay, what kind of payment methods do you accept? So the customer, let's say you are the customer, you are like, we accept credit card, debit card, and PayPal. So what type of credit cards do you accept? MasterCard and Visa card. What about Amex? No, we don't accept Amex. Okay, well, in order to process a Visa card, what is required? Last name, first name, credit card number, okay, amount, address, etc. Then you go. Well, in order to, what are the rules for credit cards? Oh, 16 digits. Visa cards should start with a 4. So all this information will be gathered and documented. What happens tomorrow? Tomorrow we'll go back and discuss about debit cards, about MasterCard, about PayPal later on, about shipping. Goes on and on for several days. Information is gathered and documented. Once documentation is in a shape, then it will be shared with the customer so that customer can approve it. What happens if customer doesn't want to approve, want to make some changes? No issues. We'll discuss. The discussion will happen, for example, between BA and the customer to make necessary changes. It'll get approved, and then once approved, okay, the documentation will be shared with the IT design and IT programming team. Will create a software. The job of a QA is to test. Right? For example, you may be testing a Visa card. Right? You may be testing a Visa card. Make sure Visa card is working. You'll be testing with a MasterCard. Make sure MasterCard is working. Meaning what? Let's say you buy a book and you will use your Visa card to make a payment. The payment should go through. Later on, you will make a MasterCard payment and that payment should go through. You will make an Amex payment and that payment should be rejected. Why it should be rejected? Because as per your business model, Amex card is, you don't accept Amex cards. Right? So it will be rejected. So the fundamental job of a BA is to many more things than that, but majority reviewing customer requirements, meeting with the customer, talking to the customer, gathering more information, documenting the gathered information, documenting underline, then work with the customer and other stakeholders to get it approved, and then work with the design development and test team to get it tested. So Anuradha, you have any questions?